Hey everyone, today's video I'm going to show you how to create a video mockup in Canva. First, go to Canva on your PC. Then click on Create from the top left corner. Now from the left menu, click on Videos and choose YouTube Video Landscape to start your project. Next, click on Apps from the left panel and search for Mockups. Now click on the Mockups app. Then select a mockup video, click on See All to browse all available options. Pick any mockup like a laptop or phone and click on it. Now use the corner handles to increase its size on the Canva. Then click on Uploads from the left menu and upload your image. Now drag the uploaded image onto the mockup. For example, if you selected a laptop mockup, position and adjust the image so it fits inside the laptop screen. Play the video to preview how it looks. If needed, edit the image further using the options on the left. Under Alignment, you can adjust Stop, Button, or Sight. You can also go to the Flip section to mirror the image if necessary. Once everything is set, click on Apply Changes. You'll see Canva apply some finishing touches to the video. Now click on Share from the top right corner. Then click on Download. Use this slider to choose the video quality, then click Download again. While it's downloading, you can add more to your timeline. Click the plus icon on the timeline to add a new scene. Go back to Mockups from the left panel. Now choose a different mockup like a phone, click See All, then select one and adjust its size on the Canva. Click on Uploads again, select your image and drag it onto the phone mockup. Now play the video to preview it all. And that's it, your video mockup is ready. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.